This 2014 Keystone Alpine 3555RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Keystone Alpine 3555RL is 12,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.